Hey guys, welcome back to Love Brooklyn One. Woo! Alright, so today, we are doing a mukbang. Mukbang, A. Mukbang, A. Come on. Mukbang, A. Alright, we are eating. I ordered me a turkey stuffing bowl. It is hot, so that's why I'm using another bowl to hold the top, a bowl to another top. See, turkey stuffing bowl. It looks yummy. It's stuffing the turkey and gravy and all that. He is eating.
Can I open my lunchable?
Oh, you can see it, right? Lunchables again, nacho cheese one this time. So let's get a thumbnail in real quick. Okay. Go ahead. Oh, bless you, my dear. Of course, you guys, I got my soda on deck.
What the point is soda?
Soda juice.
Soda has no.
Guys, my son, for Christmas, he got me this cute keychain. It says Mom on it. I love it.
My dad got a dumb pen.
He got his dad a pen. It says Grandpa on it because he couldn't find a dad pen, which is understand. So please excuse my hair. That's first of all because I just took my braids out and the ponytail's uneven, as you can see. I'm
gonna beat down ponytail perfectly.
I'm going to either braid it again or stop. Either I'm gonna braid it again or I'm just gonna wash it out and blow it and straighten it. I don't know, we'll see. So please excuse the hair, it's a mess.
Let me play with
So let's go. Yeah, you're not playing with my hair, stop spitting.
I'm not spitting.
So let's eat.
I'm spitballing.
Let's try this stuffing and turkey. I wanted this stuffing turkey bowl. I wanted to see. Let's see.
What is
Oh, this is stuffing.
Stuffing. That doesn't look like stuffing. That looks like chicken. Chicken parmesan. It looks chicken parmesan.
Okay, the stuffing's good. Let's try this
The
turkey.
stuffing is not that good. I don't like the stuffing.
You didn't even try it.
Oh, I tried it once. It tastes awful.
Look at this.
You should see
the
how
turkey, you guys. It's immersed in the stuffing. Ready?
The turkey is garbage as well. Kind of garbage. Not that garbage, but kind of. I made garbage out of garbage.
Did your dad order this before? Did you try this before?
Mm-hmm. They garbage.
This stuff is really good, actually. I'll definitely order this again. You guys can't see his food.
One dipping.
He's eating nachos and cheese dip with the lunch. You didn't take that to school today?
I forgot.
You forgot again?
Mm-hmm.
Because he takes his vegetables to school, and when he forgets them, he eats them in here. Look at that. The turkey's a bit dry, but it's alright.
Maybe these guys forgot.
With the stuffing, it tastes,
On point?
yeah. It tastes good with the stuffing.
When will you make a
When you
video
mix
of me
it with the
playing my game, Mommy? When? Tell me. When?
When I have time.
Don't
Because
give
one,
me
mommy needs to get her hair done.
Don't give me an excuse. Do it now,
No, I
today.
need to get my hair did. I need to do something with this hair.
comments down below if you want to see me play video games. I saw that.
I'm just shaking my head like, you silly.
I still saw that.
Okay. You might see him a little bit more often in my videos because he likes to do videos with me. Lunch ones, not dinner ones. I look at they got peppers in here.
Peppers.
Red peppers or at least tomatoes. I don't know.
Why not red bell? Why not red bells?
These are red bell peppers? No. I thought they were peppers just now, but they might be tomatoes.
Why? They taste like tomato?
No, they don't taste like anything.
Must be a red kind of mushroom.
I'll taste only the stuffing in the turkey.
Why would
I don't know what they put in here.
Mostly stuffing in turkey.
Mm-hmm.
That's why. It tunes
It
it
might
out.
be. I don't know how to make that.
Four stack. It's four stack.
Let me see.
Hey,
What?
no double dipping until I say so.
I ain't double dip. I just dipped once, Lolo. Kids.
Adults.
My ring is legit awesome. My husband, he picked it out. He knew I like black, so my ring is black.
Not fully black.
The sides.
The center.
The center ring ain't black. No, the center ring is silver.
Mm-hmm. And what do you have to comment about this? That this was a bad wedding ring? Or was it the best one? What do you have to comment about this?
I love it. This is the best ring.
You have it there, folks. She hates it.
I love it. I don't hate it. It's the most beautiful ring in the whole wide world.
The translator speaking, and she said, backwards, I hate it. I hate it in the whole wide world. I have a translator on deck because mommy has a tendency to talk backwards.
Okay, I'm full. You guys?
She's
With
not-
this.
She says she's not full. She's actually messing around with you guys.
I did my hair. I'm tired of it.
She says she doesn't have to do her hair. She'll do another video.
I'm gonna
with
cut
me.
my hair. Stop lying.
She says she's gonna cut my hair.
I'm gonna cut his hair. Oh, this beautiful. You gotta wash your hair. When you shower, you don't wash your hair correctly,
I do.
right?
I do.
What you put in your hair to wash it? Because you got to put soap.
You're so.
I mean shampoo. Not just put soap, not body soap. You gotta put the conditioner and shampoo in your hair, cause
Right.
not body soap in
Hey,
your hair.
what?
Yeah, you don't put body soap in your hair. I'll wash it when we finish.
What? No.
This is, it's alright.
What? But,
Can I have some?
Okay, fine.
That one I'm over right now, literally. I ate most of it. He likes the cheese one. I like the salsa.
It's too putrid for me.
It's too spicy.
No, it's too putrid.
See, guys? Salsa. We look like the...
See, guys? Spicy cheese.
These are like the salsa. This is like the chips and dip. You get the big chip and dip in the supermarkets that you buy in a little container bag, like this. But it's in a bag, a little case. It's cute. Get it from the 7-Eleven. But these are Lunchables. He used to make his lunch. Like he used to make his sandwiches and
Wait, can I still do that?
You have the luncheon meat and the cheese. You can. You just choose not to. I don't know why.
I'll do it tomorrow.
And he has bowls he could put his lunch in, but he just don't. Because we have a lot. I saved these bowls for a
I
reason.
said I will do it tomorrow.
What you gonna pack for snack? Well, you have a lot of snacks. You have gummies. Did you eat all your gummies?
Mm-hmm.
You ate all your gummies?
Mm-hmm.
Both boxes?
Mm-hmm.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
Well, then I don't know if you're gonna have a snack. That's gonna be your problem. That's gonna be a you problem unless you're gonna save that honey bun.
I'm joking. I didn't eat both of those. I only
I
ate
bought
one.
some gummies and... Oh yeah, you still got your brownies.
What brownie?
Your little bites. You forgot about them, didn't you? Yeah, so see, you can pack that for lunch. And then pack a juice.
Oh.
And there you go. That's your lunch for tomorrow. Or you can take one of your Lunchables again. Your choice. But making a sandwich, like, and there's mayonnaise too. I bought mayonnaise.
No, thank you. No mayonnaise. I got used
For
to
your sandwich, no mayonnaise?
Yeah, I got used to no mayonnaise.
You could put it though. If you want.
I want me a grilled cheese sandwich tomorrow.
Who's gonna make that?
You.
For lunch?
Tomorrow morning.
You know it won't be grilled cheese when you get to school, right?
It'll be cold.
Yeah.
That's the point. I want it cold.
Well, I could put it, wrap it in aluminum foil to see if I can keep it hot. Warm, and then I'll wait for you. What time is your lunchtime?
When we're done with,
You don't know what time it is for your lunch?
when we're done with test prep. Yes.
Well, guys, I'm done eating mine.
I'm eating mine because it's super fun.
He's still eating. I gotta fix this. I feel like it's uneven. Guys.
Big nacho dip for no reason.
I'm over my head, guys. Seriously. If you're over your hair and you just... And hey, don't get me wrong. I was going to get my son from the bus, right? In this elevator, I was in the elevator and this guy, he was like, oh, that's a lot of pretty hair. And I'm like, oh, well, thank you. But it's a lot to take care of and it's stressful, so who knows, I might cut it.
Who's there?
Mine.
Oh.
That guy that was downstairs with the with those boxes and stuff.
Oh
And
yeah.
holding him. He was in the elevator with me when I was coming downstairs to get you. He was like, oh, you got nice hair. And I'm like, oh, thank you, but it's a lot to mess with. And I might cut it. And he's like, oh, that's crazy. You know how many girls are walking around bald-headed wishing they had that hair? I'm like, I know, but you don't know because you don't got hair, sir.
How
Like,
dare
you bald-headed yourself. In my head, I ain't saying out loud, guys. I'm not rude. But I was like, yeah, well, you know, I'll say I cut my hair, but I won't do it. Because I don't got the balls to do it.
The what?
The balls.
The what?
Like, basketballs. I don't got the balls to do it.
I got the basketballs for you to do it.
Yeah. I don't got the energy or the positivity to do that.
I have the positivity.
I love my hair, which I may complain and moan and groan about how much it is to handle, but
She won't stop until
I
she
won't
cuts her
cut
hair.
it.
She won't stop until she cuts her
I was
hair.
telling my husband that the other day. I was like, oh, what if I cut my hair yesterday? When I was taking out to babe, I'm gonna cut my hair. Would you still love me?
No.
He's like, I don't know. What do you mean? You better love me for me, not my hair. Like that one song from India Ari, I Am Not My Hair. I feel that song. Like, I am not my hair. I am my soul and skin. That's what's in. That's what the song is. I am not my
What?
hair.
I'm a
I am not
banana.
my skin.
Doing what?
I am
I'm
the
a
soul
banana.
that lives
What happened to your
within.
clothes? I'm a banana. I'm a banana. I'm a banana.
Alright, guys.
I'm a banana.
That's
Look
it
at
for
me
today.
now.
Like,
I'm a
comment,
banana. I'm a banana. I'm a banana.
like, comment,
Look at me now.
subscribe, hit the
Banana
bell
power.
notification.
Banana power. Banana power. Look at me now.
Hit the bell notification button on the bottom.
Banana
So you
power.
can get notified for all my little videos. And
Alright, you're my target.
I don't know what's wrong with this child, but I adore him very, very much. I love you, Alex. I will beat you. You want to be on punishment? No TV. Peace out, guys. A-Town. Doo 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 doo. Move you in the camera.
No, you're in the camera.